Roscoe Home Pro is three friends that came together to do really high quality work. We subscribe to the philosophy of quality over quantity. We treat each client's homes as our own. We love seeing how happy people are after we finish their jobs. That's the main reason I love doing this work.
We've stayed booked solid for a long time now. It's crazy having to turn work away because we can't fit it in our schedule. But, I mean, there could be worse problems to have.
Contractor Plus helps us manage all our clients and jobs. We have a pro account. All three of us use that so we know what's going on at every job site. All of our clients are in one place. I can search for a client and pull up their properties and any estimates and invoices. Everything I need to see related to each client just a few seconds away.
Contractor Plus lets us see how profitable we are. If we bid $15,000 on a kitchen remodel, estimated at 50 hours of labor with $10,000 in supplies, and we end up doing it in less than 50 hours, we can generate a report that shows us how much extra we made. We can see how much profit we make after marking up the supplies. We know how profitable we are on every job in any period of time. It's great.
I like that Contractor Plus does pretty much everything we need. It's not just an app that helps us run our business. They also made our logo, they made our website, they made our t-shirts, they help us get new customers. Contractor Plus is like a one-stop shop.
It's really nice because we don't need to do anything else. Everything we need is in this one app. Our clients really like the reports we send. It gives us a professional image that assures people of the quality they can expect when they hire us.
For me, Contractor Plus is as good as it gets.
It's impressive how easy the app is to use. They made it really easy.
I couldn't imagine there being anything better for us.